Ever pondered over the dilemma of keeping students engrossed in the classroom? Well, the solution might be closer than you think, nestled within the realm of artificial intelligence. Today, we delve into the world of AI tools with a particular focus on Chat GPT and how they can revolutionize teaching. In an era where technology is a constant companion, harnessing its potential can lead to transformative changes in the way we educate. Chat GPT, a language prediction model, is a prime example of AI's prowess. It's not just a tool, it's a teaching ally. Imagine a tool that can assist with grading, provide personalized feedback, and even help create engaging lesson plans. That's Chat GPT for you. But the benefits don't stop at the teacher's desk. For students, AI tools like Chat GPT can offer a more interactive learning experience. It can cater to individual learning styles, encourage active participation, and foster a deeper understanding of the subject matter. The use of AI in teaching isn't just about making tasks easier. It's about embracing a future-focused approach to education. It's about empowering teachers to create a dynamic learning environment, one where every student feels seen, heard, and engaged. As we move towards a more digitized world, integrating AI tools into the teaching process is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. It's about staying ahead of the curve and giving students the best learning experience possible. So to recap, we've explored the challenges of engaging students and how AI tools, particularly Chat GPT, can help overcome these hurdles. We've discussed the benefits these tools offer for both teachers and students, emphasizing their potential in creating a more personalized and dynamic learning environment. But don't just take our word for it. Join us on the 30th of March for a live workshop designed specifically for school teachers and college faculty. Gain insights into the basics of Chat GPT and AI tools, their practical applications in the classroom, and strategies to integrate them into your teaching process. To register, follow the link provided. A small fee of 299 rupees stands between you and the future of teaching. Embark on a journey to transform your teaching methods with the power of AI. We promise it will be an enlightening experience.